Greetings and welcome to Smartwatch Ticks. We're a smartwatch YouTube channel on the web at smartwatchticks.com. Today, we're going to show you how to tether your Galaxy Watch Active to an Android smartphone. If you don't have one of these yet, well, we encourage you to pick it up from Amazon. Just go to Amazon through the link down in the show notes, click on over, and for under $200, and if I can get you a good coupon, I'll have that for you as well. You should be able to pick up any color of the Galaxy Watch Active you're interested in, or, and this video should apply to the regular Galaxy Watch 46-inch men's size or 42-inch Galaxy Watch for the ladies, or of course the Active that we're looking at here, which is 40 millimeters. Any of these that you pick up, we should be able to get you tethered just by watching this app video. Here we go. First of all, you're going to need to turn on your phone and go to the Google Play Store. And from there, you're going to download the Galaxy Wearable app. All right? That's your first step. Even before anything. Well, while you're doing that, you can charge your new Galaxy Watch, whichever one it is, because it's best to have it fully charged. I know, I'm excited. It just came in, and I want to get this video up, so I am not following my own rule, but I do have it ready to go. It's about half charged, which is fine. And when you turn it on, the first thing it does is get you into this screen that says Get Started in the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. So that's where we begin. We begin with the installed Galaxy Wearable app, and you say Start the Journey. Now, from this list, you pick whichever device you've got. This is a universal app working for any of these. The brand new Galaxy Watch Active is at the top, but you see you've got all these other things here. And any one of them, including the original Gear S3, are able to tether to this app. So whether you've got a Fit 2 or earbuds or the Gear Sport, the original Galaxy Watch that we just showed you in either the 42 or 46 millimeter size or today's Galaxy Watch Active, you can press the button and get in here. Whatever device you pick, you're going to see you have certain permissions that you're going to be required to give. And we're going to give those, and it's going to ask you, do you want to give it device's location? We have 4 of these. Access to the photos and media, access to manage phone calls, and finally, your contacts. Give all those permissions, and now it's going to attempt to pair up. Wow, that was quick. Big check mark, matching numbers. I hit check here. I hit pair there. 1, 2. Wow, can't even count to 3. It's check on your phone to complete the setup, it says. This allows transfer of the data between your watch and your phone. Okay, we're going to let that happen. And now, if you're on an Android phone, you have to move to this next step. If you're on a Galaxy phone, you don't have another step. It's already going to go. But it's really made for Samsung, working with Samsung. But if you got Android, you have to put in this Watch Active plugin. So we're going to install that. That's the second app. The first one we got set up. Now we're doing the second one. It's pretty quick. It's downloaded. It's installing. It's going to interface with the Galaxy Wearable. When it's finished, it comes over here, and it allows you to transfer data, again, between the two. We say OK. Now we need another app. That's right, 3 of them. Samsung Accessory Service app. We're going to install that one as well. Now, all of these are like little interface things. You're not going to do anything with them, but they're going to run in the background for you on your Android watch. Now it's finishing pairing, and check it over here. It says, while you're pairing, take a moment to get familiar with your watch. How to use, okay? That's the home screen. You swipe left to show different widgets. You swipe right to show notifications. All right? So we don't have the rotating bezel now. We're going to be doing sliding. Go to next, or just swipe it. Okay? The keys. The back key, he presses to show the previous screen. That's this one. They're calling the buttons keys. And the home key to show the faces again. Press and hold to turn your watch on and off, the top one, all right? Then, getting the best heart rate results, you want to get the wear it exactly right, and that needs to be, what does it say, about a finger's width above your wrist joint. So place that and move it above. There's a little bump up here on your wrist too, and if you're a little above that bump, you're okay. You want it tight, but not really too snug. You don't want it loose so that it flops around, because, it's got to read the blood moving through the capillaries in your wrist. Amazing technology. And then notifications, you can get them on your watch, but you have to set the notifications up on your phone. And to do that, you go to notification settings. And now we're deeper into the app a little bit, and all the different things that you can turn on. It says 8 apps are selected for notifications, and notifications indicator, and all of that. And it is turned on, so we're set for that. I'm going to hit the back button either up here, or it's a little easier for me down here, and we're done. Now, while we were doing all of that, it managed to pair in the background. We are going to agree to the permissions for the active plugin that needs to access this stuff. All right. And now we can check the following options: find my watch and find my phone. Sure. Mapping technology by here. Okay. Report diagnostic info. I'm sorry, I don't like to do that. And I'm not going to agree to all. So I'll take those first two, and I'll say next. And now get more with your Samsung account. All right. You can sign in if you have an account, or for right now, we're going to skip that step and move forward. Keep your watch connected to your phone, and it improves battery life by turning off background activity. You can turn off background optimization and so forth. Let app always run in the background. We're going to allow that here, and that's going to set things up so that on your phone it's going to constantly be running, which is a good thing to do, especially if you're going to use that feature of Find Your Phone or Find Your Watch. Do you want to allow them to read your notifications? Well, then you got to go into all of the stuff you've got in your watch and find the app. There it is, Galaxy Watch Active Plugin. I'm going to turn that on. Now, when you read this, it says that your personal information can be sent and can be read and all that. And it's true, but they have to say that because that's the only way it will work. So we're going to give it access. And I think that's it, right? Yeah, I got Wear OS in here. I got TicWatch stuff in here. Man, you got to watch more of the things on this channel if you're into watches, or even if you're not and you're just learning. Really encourage you to come back and check. We can go back out of here. And now we're into the overall settings stuff on the watch. I guess I'm going to go out of here. Oh, okay, we bailed out completely. Let's go back into the app. All right, now we are into the app. Now, the very first thing you want to do was charge the watch. The very second thing you want to do is tether your watch. The very third thing you want to do is update the watch's software. If it comes with new software, and it probably will, because they do it often at the beginning, and if it's been sitting on the store shelf for a long time and they finally sell it, yeah, it's going to need updating. So the first thing you want to do is check for updates. And it says a new version is ready, and this is the version information. And I'm not going to say later, I'm going to download it now. And it's going to take it a little while, but I'm going to pause the video. No, I don't think I'm going to need to. Look how fast it's going. Awesome. So you'll be able to use your watch while installing the software update. However, I don't recommend doing that. Personally, I would just let it do its thing and leave it alone. Some settings may change, and it shouldn't affect your personal data, but it's always a good idea to back up. And since it's brand new, we're doing it before you even get deep into it. Another reason why I don't say do it later, but do it now. Do it right when you're setting up. Make sure you got the best first generation going. All right, I'm going to pause, come back. You won't even notice it. Here we go. So the download is finished to the phone, but it is not yet installed into the watch. So that's your first step. Once it's in here and you get to read about what the differences are and improvements in this particular version, then you can install now or later. And again, I'm going to recommend now, which we're going to do, but first, I want to show you that you get this screen that says take a look around. Swipe left for widgets. That's left. And now you get these widgets that are all across here. Swipe right to go to the watch face. There we are. For notifications, swipe right. And any notifications will show right here. This is the back key, it says. Press it. All right. This is the home key to go to view the apps. And there they all are. It would be nice if we had the little twirly thing, but we don't, so we'll have to navigate differently. Almost there. Open the quick panel by swiping down. And that's called the quick panel. Touch the screen with your palm to turn it off. Oh, you ready? Wow. Try again. Wow. That's it. Okay. All right, let's install now. Here we go. Enjoy your watch. The watch will restart, and we're off and running. We'll be back in a moment. Well, we're almost there, 95%. On the phone, it says your watch will disconnect from your phone when the update starts, which it did. Once the update is complete, your watch will reconnect to your phone automatically, which it's going to do. So it's installed the firmware, they call it, software, if you will, and it's going through the process of unpacking all of that and making all the little connections to the Tizen 4 operating system so that it can improve the performance, like it said, for battery charging and whatnot. It's in that process. I can hit OK because when it is completed, it will reconnect to the phone. And then we'll be good to go with a brand new version of the software and firmware. Here it's starting. You see the blue coming in? Brrr. All done, they claim. Enjoy your watch, and we certainly will. That does it for everything you need to know for tethering. You got the watch all set up. Now it's Bluetooth connected to your phone. You've got information about what's on your watch, how much power, how much memory, all sorts of stuff. We will go through the app. We will go through the watch in much more detail in an upcoming video. Have you subscribed yet? Did you like this video? We really appreciate your support. If you don't have this watch or any of the Galaxy watches, again, check the show notes down below. We have links for you to pick it up from Amazon directly, and it helps us out if you do use our links. So thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you again soon.